and welcome back to my channel. Since Thanksgiving is on its way, I decided to make some Thanksgiving luminaries. These consist of jars. I use jars from the Dollar Tree, but you can use any kind of jars you want. Some contact paper, the shape you want to put on the front of the jar, and some acrylic paint. The first thing you do is you decide what image you want to put on the jar, trace that on some contact paper, and then cut that out. I chose a maple leaf, but the first image I used, it was a bit too big, and later on I did cut it down. You're going to take the backing off that contact paper and stick it to the jar. The next steps are real easy. All you're going to do is cover the entire jar with the paint of your choice. I made a light orange color and painted the entire jar that color. It did take several coats of that paint just to get the opacity I wanted. After all your layers of paint are dry, you're going to take the image off the front of the jar. I chose to wrap some twine around the top with a nice little bow on top. And here's the final product. I did buy some glass cabochons from the Dollar Tree, put those in there with a scented candle as well. And because this project is so quick and easy, I did make 2 extra luminaries. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week.